Hi everyone. In this video, I wanted to address one of the most common questions I have been getting from many professionals. Whether they are already working on the cloud or just starting their journey, one question always comes up. What exactly does a senior cloud engineer do? Many people with 8 or more years of IT experience feel unsure whether their profile is suitable for a senior cloud engineer or consultant role. They often ask, how can they align their past experience with such a role, or whether they need to start from scratch just because they are moving into cloud technologies. So I thought of creating this video to summarize in the simplest way possible what a senior cloud engineer does, especially from a real-time enterprise environment perspective. I will walk you through what the day-to-day responsibilities look like, what skills are required, and how this role adds value to the organization. Let us begin. A senior cloud engineer is someone who is not just technically sound, but also experienced in working with end-to-end cloud solutions. They have deep knowledge across Azure services, including infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. They are also familiar with tools like Azure DevOps, Terraform, and scripting languages like PowerShell, Ansible, and Bash, which are used for automation and managing infrastructure efficiently. Their responsibility starts from the design phase of a cloud platform. For example, if a new application needs to be moved to the cloud, they are the ones who engage with the application teams to understand the requirements, then begin designing the network layout, define the address space, ensure connectivity with the core network, and set the right Azure policies and role-based access controls. They know what ports need to be opened or restricted, what rules need to be created for security, and how to configure network security groups. Once the design is in place, they take care of setting up the virtual machines with the correct sizing, ensuring performance and cost efficiency. They take decisions carefully, balancing technical needs with business impact. Sometimes there are hurdles. It could be a miscommunication between teams, unclear requirements, or integration issues. A senior cloud engineer steps in, brings clarity, and drives the implementation forward. In any enterprise, critical issues are bound to happen. What makes a senior cloud engineer different is their ability to handle such situations with calm and confidence. They understand the full architecture from the moment a user opens an application in the browser to the request hitting the web server and the response coming back. They know what components are involved in between, like firewalls, load balancers, security policies, and SSL terminations. This knowledge allows them to isolate problems quickly. Whether the issue lies in the network, the virtual machine, the application, or the Azure platform itself, they are able to identify it and resolve it. When they join a bridge call during a major incident, things move faster because they know what to check and how to guide the team. They are also strong in operating systems. Be it Windows or Linux, they know how to troubleshoot performance issues, system errors, and connectivity problems. This broad expertise helps them work across different layers of the infrastructure. Their role goes beyond day-to-day support. They also drive internal projects. This could be automating the regular operations using scripts, helping the DevOps team with continuous integration and deployment pipelines, or contributing directly to automation frameworks that save time and effort. They also play a big role in cost management. As part of FinOps activities, they review the cloud usage, check if any resources are underutilized or not being used at all, and take the right steps to clean them up or resize them. This helps in reducing unnecessary costs and improving overall efficiency. They work closely with both technical teams and business stakeholders. They provide regular updates, whether it is weekly, monthly, or quarterly business reviews. They act as the bridge between the customer and the internal leadership teams, making sure expectations are met and progress is communicated clearly. Apart from all this, one of the things I admire most about senior cloud engineers is their support for the team. They are always there to help, mentor, and guide junior engineers. They may not get any formal recognition for this, but they create a strong team culture and win the trust of their customers. In the long run, They become more than engineers. They are trusted leaders, subject matter experts, and decision makers who drive business outcomes and keep operations running smoothly. Their technical depth, combined with empathy and leadership, makes a huge difference. So, if you are someone looking to grow into a senior cloud engineer role, or if you are trying to understand how your experience fits into this career path, I hope this video gave you some clarity. If you want guidance on how to shape your cloud journey, improve your skills, and prepare for roles like senior engineer, architect, or DevOps consultant, feel free to reach out to me. You can contact me through email or WhatsApp. Details are in the description. Thank you for listening. I wish you all the best in your cloud journey.